How to set Microsoft Teams status to always available. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Microsoft Office, and once you are in, you have to click on the calendar, and here you have to add the new meeting. Now once you are in, you have to add the team plans. First of all, you have to add the title for your team, and after adding that you have to add the requirements, attendance, and also add the duration, timings, and location, etc. After adding all of these, you can also add the details about that, and after this you have to simply save it. You can also copy the link and share with the via Google Calendar. If you don't want, you have to simply click on the cross. Now you have to go on the calendar, and here you can adjust the meeting video conferencing. After this you have to simply save it. So yeah, this is how you can set Microsoft Teams status to always available.